Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to cancel Amazon Prime membership on iPhone. Okay, this is easy. We need to go to our app. In this case, is Amazon itself. Okay, once we're here, we're gonna click this button right here, this icon right here, like a person. We're gonna click this one, and here we gonna find these options called um, manage Prime membership right here. Okay, look, we're gonna click this option right here, and then you're going to see all your subscriptions right here. We're gonna click, um, we're going to click this option right here, and if you are in this page, you're going to click right here this option called manage membership. We're gonna click this option, and right here you see there is an option called cancel and more. We're gonna click this arrow right here, and you're going to cancel your membership. It's really easy. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.